Orangutans are known for being highly intelligent creatures. But did you know that they also make umbrellas out of leaves? That's right. These clever apes will rip off large jungle leaves and hold them over their heads to shield themselves from the rain. But why do they do this? And how did they even come up with such an idea? Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the fascinating behavior of orangutans making umbrellas out of leaves. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and let us dive into the world of these amazing primates. The first thing you might be wondering is, why do orangutans need umbrellas? Well, it's simple. They live in rainforests. In the dense jungles of Borneo and Sumatra, where these great apes make their homes, it rains a lot, not just a little bit. We're talking about an average of 8 feet of rain per year. That's more than twice the amount of rainfall in places like London and Seattle, which are known for their rainy weather. Imagine living in a place where it rains almost every day. You would probably appreciate having an umbrella too. But you might be wondering, why don't orangutans just stay under the trees during the rain? After all, there are plenty of tall trees with thick canopies in the rainforest. That's a great question, but the answer lies in the orangutan's unique lifestyle. Orangutans are mostly active during the day, which means they spend a lot of time in the rain. If they spent all day long staying under the trees, they wouldn't have enough time to forage for food. And let's face it, eating is pretty important. It takes up a significant portion of their day, roughly 14 hours to be exact. So, orangutans need a way to protect themselves from the rain without sacrificing their precious time. Enter the umbrella leaf. Orangutans will grab large leaves, typically from trees like the mango or fig, and tear them into smaller pieces. They then use these makeshift umbrellas to shield themselves from the rain while they go about their daily activities. This behavior has been observed in both male and female orangutans, as well as in various age groups. It's not just the adults who know how to stay dry. Even young orangutans have been seen using umbrella leaves. But how did they even come up with such an idea? Orangutans are highly intelligent creatures with the ability to use tools and solve complex problems. They're known for their adaptability and resourcefulness, which probably helps them in situations like needing to protect themselves from the rain. It's likely that orangutans use a combination of observation, imitation, and problem solving to figure out how to make an umbrella leaf. By watching other orangutans and imitating their behavior, they learn what works and what doesn't. And if something isn't quite right, they might try to figure out why and make adjustments accordingly. For example, if an umbrella leaf is too small to provide adequate coverage, an orangutan might try to find a larger leaf or use multiple leaves to create a bigger umbrella. And orangutans aren't the only ones who use leaves as umbrellas. Chimpanzees have also been observed using leaves as rain protection. In some cases, they've even been seen using 2 leaves, one over the head and another tucked under the arm for additional coverage. Talk about high-tech protection. So the next time you find yourself stuck in the rain without an umbrella, just remember that you could always use a leaf. Just make sure it's big enough, because we don't want any orangutan-sized mishaps. We hope you enjoyed learning about orangutans and their clever use of umbrella leaves. Do not forget to leave a like if you've learned something new and share this video with your friends. Your support means everything to us, and we can't wait to bring you more fascinating animal videos in the future. So stay tuned and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.